my cabin in Athens, Vermont, and I'm gonna go look for newts and toads and frogs and stuff like that. And I always look under logs to find them because newts always live under logs. And I'm gonna go right now, and my dog is going right down the hill, as you can see. He's right there. That's my dog right there. See that? Give me the video camera.
I'm taping.
Okay, Mom. I'm going to go over here to look for newt sow. And they're also called salamanders. Find them under these logs here. Not sure if there's any of them right here now, but might be one. There might be one on this log here. No salamanders here. And there is no salamanders here. These are lady zippers, and they're really rare.
I wouldn't touch it.
And they're worth like $60-something now. And now I'm gonna go down that hill looking for some salamanders. This is another lady zipper. We never knew it was here. And that one looks like one that was eaten a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
Here's one. It's in this log.
Here, move your fingers. Move your hands. Let's see where it was. Oh.
In this log. It's really,
That's a redback.
It's a redback.
Newt.
This is a redbacked salamander or newt.
It's a little itty bitty one. Well, that's a pretty good sized redback.
This is a big one. I've caught ones that are way smaller than this. And I'm going to put him back right here where I found him.
All right, let's see if we can find some eastern newts. What were you going to say?
There's tons of different kinds of, there's different kinds of newts, a few hundred maybe.
And how many have we caught here?
We've caught about 4 species here.
Mm-hmm.
This one, newts might live under 2, but there's no newts under it.
Nope.
Oh, the winter ice storm did to our trees here, and you can't pick them up. And how strong you are, you cannot pick them up, and there might be a newt under here.
Look at the big ones up above. See all the bent trees up above, Fisher? Those were all knocked down and bent over a winter storm this winter. Yep.
Blackberry bushes and raspberry bushes, and we get raspberries to eat in the late summer here, and there's a bug right here, and I think it's trying to eat. I got it off. We're going up there to see my terrarium, and I have a few little salamanders and one big one like this long.
Okay, let's go see them.
And Mommy, this is called an outhouse.
Turn around.
This is called an outhouse. It's where we go to the bathroom, and it's
Open it up.
What, Mom?
Open it up. I mean, we're not going to get crazy here, but we just open the door.
And that's a toilet seat, and you open this up, and
Whoop!
it just opens up to the ground under here.
Yeah. Is it smelly at all?
And it stinks.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, it smells like
Snake, Fisher, snake, quick, quick, quick. Snake. Slow and quiet.
What is it?
Slow and quiet. Big snake, right there. Pick him up.
What is that?
Big garter snake.
Oh, that's garter snake. Are you taking this?
Is it alive? Yes.
Yeah.
Quick, quick, get him quick.
This This is a
Pounce quick.
garter snake. Whoa, that's a garter snake right there. Big garter snake, and we have them living around here. You never know when another one might show up.
Okay.
See her?
Yep. You want to try to get her again? Now try to grab her right behind the head, but you got to move fast. Come on.
I got it. Whoa, she's really fast.
Hold on to her. You just got to hold on.
But she might bite me.
It doesn't. Yeah, she's not going to hurt you.
Well, it won't hurt. She really is strong.
Well, go quick. She's going to be gone in 2 seconds.
Yes, I see it. It's really fast. It's a really big one. It's right there. It's the same one, I think.
Yep.
Where'd she go?
She's right here.
She's maybe getting annoyed with you.
See her? She's right there.
Wait, where?
Other side of the tree.
Oh yeah, I got her.
See her? Get her.
Hang on.
Get her back. Oh,
Okay, grab her behind the head.
Quick.
got her. Oh, man.
And just hold tight.
Grab her behind the head.
Hold tight. Hold tight, Fisher.
Man, she won't bit me.
Alright, I get her.
Got it. We got it.
All right, now bring her up so we can see her. Oops.
Man, she really is upset.
Look
No,
at
you're
that
not going to bite me.
She's going to poop on you.
Yep.
Oh, she's beautiful.
She is beautiful. Okay, she's starting to come down a little. She's got a little cut right here or something. Maybe she's got some food in her. Right
She
there.
might have a tick.
She might be molting or have a tick.
That is one big snake
Yeah.
right there.
Okay, I'm going to let her
What,
go,
is that
guys.
by her tail? That's her poop
Oh, that's her
chute.
poop coming out. Ew.
Fisher, you want to hold her?
Well, she's pooping right now.
Bit me a little bit right here, as you can see. It's just tiny right there. It's just tiny right there, and it's real surprise. It's more surprising than painful. And after that, she tried to bite me again, but I was really quick. My dad was holding her by the head.
And then we let her go, right? So she can relax.
Then I tried to get her behind the head when my dad was holding her, and then she just went. And it was like this close away, and then I just went.
But they just have itty bitty tiny teeth. Nothing to be scared of. It's just sort of surprising
Yeah,
when
but
they
she
do
had
that.
like teeth this long.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, this is my terrarium, and I have about 3 salamanders in here, and I'll try to pick one up. There's 2 of them, one right there and one in there. We'll try get it.
Do the salamanders bite?
The salamanders don't bite. They're just really slippery when they are just in water. It's really hard to catch them though. So I'm trying to catch this one, but it's really hard. I almost got him. He's really fast and squiggly. He's really slimy. I almost got him. Oh man, he's really fast. A big one. I caught
Get a
him.
close up of them. Don't move your hands.
I caught him today, and he was really squiggly. Then I tried getting him about 3 times today. This is the time I got him.
So cute.
Whoa. He's really fast and squiggly, and I have
All right.
about 2 tiny ones in here. Yeah, 2 tiny ones. There's another tiny one right. There's a tiny one right here. If you can.
Maybe I can just film in the terrarium.
No, I got him. This is one of the tiny ones. They're way harder to catch than the big ones.
And they're faster, aren't they? They're so fast and
they're
squiggly.
way faster. And I think that's because they really need more protection than the big ones.
Okay, thank you.
This is another creature that we find in Vermont. It's a dance snail. You can see its shell, but it is in there. You can hardly...
Can you pick it up?
Yeah, if I try to pick it up, its shell will fall off.
No, it won't. Try it. Pick it up. Say it again.
As you can see, he won't let go.
His whole body.
His whole body.
See if we can see it. Let it go.
I got it.
Oh, here we go.
And
Right,
this
let's
is
see.
the bottom of the snail, and
It looks like a scallop.
it really looks like a scallop.